Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Adelaide. I'm a dietitian and today we're gonna make some juice. So the main ingredient is carrot in this juice. I've got 3 pounds of carrot here. Really high in vitamin A, beta carotene, that makes your skin stay nice and vibrant without the sun and also aids in your eyesight. Moving on, I've got beet. The beet is peeled and cut in half to keep that extra bitter stuff out of the food. And it is really high in compounds that help your blood vessels relax and create nitric oxide. The next ingredient is parsnip. You might not be super aware of parsnip, but it is a very sweet vegetable that juices really well. Then I've also got garlic in there, 2 cloves of garlic. It's really strong, but that raw garlic flavor is very different than cooked garlic. It's very good for antibacterial, antifungal activity, so it's good for your immune system. We've also got, speaking of immune system, we've got a lemon in half. Lemon really high in vitamin C, and also as you can see here, I've peeled off that just super shiny part of the lemon and left most of that white part on. That white part, called the pith, contains a lot of minerals that help alkalize your body. So even though lemon is acidic flavored, it is alkalizing once it gets inside. And then I have 2 apples here cut into quarter. Apple is really sweet. It helps mellow out all the other pungent stuff, but it's also very high in pectin, which is a healthy fiber that is soluble. So when you get it in your digestive tract, it helps remove and excrete toxins. So yeah, we're gonna get all this juiced up and then I'll show you right now that I've got all of my vegetables prepped for my juice. I'm gonna go ahead and start making it. All right, we'll alternate our food. So start with some carrots. A little bit of lemon. Parsnip. Now I'll add half of my beet and my seed. Once you have your juice made, you want to go ahead and consume it as soon as possible. So just stir and serve it right away. If that's not in the cards, you can put it in a bottle, such as this one, and fill it as close to the top as possible so the juice isn't coming into contact with a lot of oxygen. The juice like this is not pasteurized, so we just want to keep it for up to 24 hours. Juicing is a great way to boost your natural energy throughout the day. Thanks for joining me, guys. I hope you like this juice and that this inspires you guys to get creative in the kitchen.